project that we worked on was having the kids come together and actually do 2 phases of the project, where we had some kids finishing up doing their puppetry and embedding our literature into the project. And then we had other kids that are moving on to the math part of our project and working in collaborative groups to focus on area and perimeter and build the next phase of their Three Little Pigs homes that they have done through the regions of North Carolina. This is our green screen area, and so what we do is the kids do a variety of different things. We have an iPad stand here so that they can film, and they can use different things like puppets. They also can film backgrounds. And we have different kinds. We have our giant green screen, and then we also have little portable green screens that they can use for their puppet shows. And then they put it all together on the iPad using the Doink app. So this section here is set up for the kids to collaborate on their area and perimeter project. So they'll use the different items in the tub as well as the pencils and the cards to get things together and take pictures of their work and then compare them. So this section right here is our collaboration station, and it's meant to be for collaborative learning. So there's 4 seats and they can drag other seats around. They have a wireless keyboard so that they can move the keyboard around as they're working. Typically students in this station are using Google Drive and Google Docs and collaborating together and looking at what they're doing on this monitor. This is another example of where we have some collaborative spaces. I think it's really important to have flexible space and flexible furniture that you can move around so that the kids can come together and collaborate and talk about what they're doing. This learning is really important as you're thinking about working with the students and trying to reach all the learners in the classroom. Having them to be able to come into spaces like this that are flexible and open and allow for all those different skills to shine is important. Also, having the kids to see the curriculum in a different way and see how relevant it is to their learning is important as well, because the skills that we are trying to build for them to go out into the world and use are the skills of communication and critical thinking and creativity and collaboration. So it's important to try to take that and bring it back into the classroom and provide opportunities for the students to be able to show those skills.